Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab and the Dollar Tree Fall Challenge giveaway. So I will be selecting the winner of these items that I'm showing you here, which is the cards that I made for the challenge that I used. You were to use 3 or more Dollar Tree items to create whatever it was that you were going to create. And so I used stickers, some of the fabric paint, let's see, some trim on some of the cards. And so those are my cards. There's 4 cards and 4 envelopes to go with each. Along with those, I will also be sending some leaves to use in their own fall crafts. A couple of sets of stickers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I have not seen these before, so I picked them up. These are the ones that I used in these cards. I'll be sending a couple of the sunflower napkins with the leaf wreath around it, and then also some of the foil mesh that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started and find out who this winner might be. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put the link here. Filter duplicate users. Get YouTube comments. Then come on over here. Click start, and let's find out who the winner of this giveaway is. Cindy N. Cindy said, "Hi fam, I love these cards. My Dollar Tree hasn't gotten those stickers yet. What I like most about fall is the colors of all the leaves. It's so pretty. The feeling of freshness in the air, the coolness, but it's not freezing like winter. Apple picking, pumpkin pies." Laugh out loud. I agree, Cindy. And I want to thank everyone for participating. Stay tuned because there'll be more giveaways coming up, especially as we enter the cooler weather months. And Cindy, you have 48 hours to send your mailing address to the email address that's located in the description box below. And again, everyone, until we are back here together on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative in crafting. Bye for now.